Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review of the unboxing of the Kospet M3 Ultra smartwatch. And this time we are going to explore more on its menus and features of the M3 Ultra smartwatch. Again, this is an outdoor rugged smartwatch from Kospet with an affordable price. And to give you the feature, the main feature of this wearable, we have it here: dual band 6 satellite positioning system, 15 US military standard 810H certification, stainless steel unibody with a Corning Gorilla Glass AMOLED screen display, built-in compass and barometric altimeter, 170 plus sports modes and smart recognition, at least 6 sports are recognized, 5 ATM and IP69K dye-proof smartwatch. So it is a pretty loaded, durable wearable from Kospet. One of the latest and one of the best looking outdoor rugged smartwatch this 2024. If you are planning to get a rugged outdoor smartwatch, this wearable from Kospet is one of the best in the market right now. Okay, so let's start and explore its menus and features so you can decide whether this wearable is for you or not. We have here the preloaded watch face. On top, we have the quick settings here. You also have an option to add or remove some of the options here. It includes brightness display, Bluetooth, battery life, vibration. We also have these settings here. Let's check with this one. Okay, and on the left side we have notifications. So it has support for push notifications. On the bottom part, we have the tile format here. Some of its main features is available here. You can also edit, okay, the placement of the shortcut cards here, as you can see. So it is in a tile format. On the right side, we have the main menu. So let's explore this main menu. You can either swipe from top to bottom or use this one, the physical button, to navigate. As you can see here, I can scroll on the different menus using the up and down button. We have here the call. So it is a Bluetooth call functionality with support for contacts, call logs, keypad, and SOS support. We also have here daily activity tracking, workout records. We also have it here. I don't know if you can double tap. We'll set it later on. Heart rate. We also have a sleep monitoring and blood oxygen. Before we continue, let's set first the display and brightness here. Raise to wake, tap to wake. Let's activate it. Display duration, let's make it 60 seconds. Okay, I guess that is enough. Going back to the menus and features, we have heart rate, sleep monitoring, blood oxygen, stress monitoring, Bluetooth music control. We also have voice assistant here, weather. We have compass, barometric altimeter, breathing exercises, notifications, stopwatch, alarm, timer, calculator, remote shutter, flashlight, find phone, women's health, QR code. On the settings, we have change watch face for personalization, language support, always on, Let's see if this one will deactivate this one. Okay, you can pick. So in our case, we just follow the application. Always on display option. Display and brightness. Raise to wake. Switch watch face. Tap to wake. Sound and vibration. We also have it here. Theme. That is the menu options. We have the grid, honeycomb, list, halo, whirling, waterfall. You have at least how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options. 6 options. Then we have here password protection, time and date, do not disturb mode, sports recognition, bottom key, cover lock, QR code, and system menu. For the sports, let's go back to the sports. We have here the workout. So it is loaded with outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor walk. Let's see if we can use this one. Indoor run, outdoor cycle, pool swimming, open water swimming, triathlon, mountaineering, elliptical, rower machine, dance, and other workout here. You can add your own workout, as you can see. It is categorized into, or it is arranged into different categories. We have winter sports, fitness exercises, ball games, water sports, dance, extreme sports, recreational sport, and other sports. Let's see again. We have 50, 28 type, 22 type, 10 type of dance, 9 type of extreme sports, 24 for recreational sports. How about the ball games? 28 also. So there's a lot of fitness exercises, as you can see here. For the heart rate, let's see. So we have here the graph, the minimum and the maximum. So you can monitor your heart rate here directly on the wearable. Seems like, as you can see here, it will not continue monitoring your heart rate if you are not wearing it. The same with blood oxygen. And we also have stress monitoring, as well as automatic sleep monitoring, as you can see here. So it is a fully featured outdoor rugged smartwatch with a Bluetooth call support. We also have here barometric altimeter. We also have a compass. I guess we still have to calibrate this one. We also have breathing exercises, notification, stopwatch, and alarm. So a fully featured outdoor rugged smartwatch from Kospet. The Kospet M3 Ultra. The same with the T3 Ultra. We are going to, before we end the review, we are going to state our favorite feature of this wearable. Multiple sports mode with GPS support. As you can see here, the wearable is loaded with a comprehensive list of sports function, and it is arranged into different categories. The smartwatch, it is a sports smartwatch that is packed with several indoor and outdoor sports mode. Another feature is the built-in GPS. Another useful feature is the built-in compass. You can check it directly on the wearable. There is also a barometric altimeter. You can check your altitude as well as the air pressure right on the wearable. Plus, it is also included with personalization option, including watch face. We also have multiple language support. Then we have, I think we also have the always on display support with custom option. You can pick your own always on display option for the wearable, as you can see here. So you have an option to choose the type or design of watch face. Plus, it is also included with multiple menu option for your smartwatch. Another best feature of the Kospet Tank M3 Ultra Smartwatch is the waterproof rating. It has IP69K rating, 580M waterproof, and has passed 15 military certification for durability. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time.